Now, we understand what research is, remember there are different kinds of research, there are different types of research. There is primary research and secondary research, and I have discussed that in my basics of research videos. You must have seen that, and I'll give a brief highlight on that. First of all, the primary research and secondary research. Let's talk about this. When you are working on something that nobody else knows, including you, and you bring an answer to the world, then you are a primary researcher. For example, Albert Einstein. Now, can you be a primary researcher? Absolutely. Don't ever say that I cannot be a primary researcher. This is one of the biggest mistakes people can do by thinking that, oh, only Albert Einstein was a primary researcher. No, every human being can be a primary researcher. One day you will have your own lab. Many of the students who are listening to me, one day you will text me and you will tell me, I have joined this and this university and I'm starting my own lab very soon, right after you're done with your residency and fellowship. If you want to go on the research career as a professor, clinical professor, where you are also a clinician but you also have a lab, do let me know when you're done, when you achieve that goal, if you have that goal. So remember, empirical and non-empirical, and then primary and secondary research is when you are studying something that has already been done. We call it as desk research because you do it on the desk research. I hope this concept is clear, everyone is clear about it. Secondary research is when you are exploring on something that has already been done. Like, for example, if now somebody studies E is equal to mc square, tries to further expand knowledge, or find some hidden facts. If he finds a hidden fact, it becomes a primary research. But if he's just exploring what Einstein did and just expanding it, not expanding it, just bringing it and showing it to the world, then it's the primary. Yeah, it's a secondary research.